Have you ever wondered why your curries don't taste like the ones from the takeaway? Well, I'm going to let you into a little secret. Restaurants use a base gravy, which adds an incredible amount of flavour to your curry. And here is how to make it at home. Gently cook down onion, carrot, peppers, garlic and ginger in a good amount of oil or ghee. This is going to take around 20 minutes of gentle cooking, and if your vegetables start to catch on the bottom of the pan, just add a splash of water to loosen. Add in the spices, which are garam masala, paprika and turmeric. Pour in some tinned tomatoes, some tomato puree and enough water to cover. Then simmer for 30 minutes to allow the flavours to develop. Leave to cool for a while, then it's ready to blend until smooth. You can use either a processor or a stick blender for this. Portion up, then this will keep in the fridge for 3 to 4 days or 3 months in the freezer, ready to use when you're ready to make a curry. Just make sure to label it up. The full recipe is down in the caption. Make sure to hit the follow button for more recipes.